Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream Driven X. In the last video on Excel series, we discussed something about applying styles for the cell. We have customized the plain Excel sheet with different styles. If you have any queries in that previous video, please click on the above link and watch the video. So please practice that and get back to the new content. Today we will continue with the topic of Excel themes. We will use the same Excel sheet which we used for the previous demo. So in the previous demo we have worked with applying cell styles. So you can see here. So in the previous video when we start, it was like a plain worksheet. So it was like a black and white. But using the cell style, what we have did is we have customized this Excel sheet by applying different cell styles. So today's video also we are going to work with the same Excel sheet, but we are going to apply different themes here. So we will discuss on how to apply themes with the same Excel sheet. If you notice here, this is the same Excel sheet which we used in the previous example. So how we have applied the cell style is using this style command prompt. So in the home tab, you can able to see there is a style command prompt. You can select the corresponding cell, and if you click on the cell style, here you can able to see there are n number of cell styles are available. If you notice here, there are only few colors are available, which is in blue color, orange, then yellow color, blue color, like that only few colors are getting displayed. Some of your favorite color is not here. It is simply because of the fact whenever you open any workbook, when you are opening a new workbook, by default you are using something known as office theme. By default, the theme which is selected is Office theme. Whenever you are creating a new spreadsheet, by default, the theme which is selected is Office theme. For Office theme, these are the predominant style which are available. So we need to use only these style. So now what we are going to do is, instead of going with the same style, which is by default in this Excel, I will try to update some other style, which is theme. So how to do that is, if I want to change the theme, it is simple. You have to go to this page layout. Under page layout, you can able to see there is an option called themes. This we call it as themes command group. So here in page layout under themes, you can able to change the different, there are n number of themes which are inbuilt in this Excel sheet. Either we can use that same theme or else we can go with our own themes as well. This is known as theme command prompt. So for example, let me click on theme. You can see by default what is the theme selected is Office theme. That is what I said, right? For that Office themes only, these are the different styles. If you go to the home tab under the cell style, these are the styles which are there for that Office theme. So now what I will do is, instead of going with that default theme, I will show you how to change to a new theme, and once I change it to a new theme, how the styles are getting applied. That's what we are going to discuss now. It's pretty simple. Just go to that page layout and click on themes. Apart from Office, you can able to see there are n number of themes which are available. Now what I will do is, I will just show you by selecting each themes. Instead of Office, if I select Facet, you can able to see the style got changed. Now if I come back to the home tab under this cell styles, here you can able to see based on the theme which you have selected, the style is getting changed. Alright. Now I think you are getting what I am trying to say. By default, the theme which is selected is Office theme. For that Office theme only, the cell styles, it is showing the corresponding style. But when I go back to the page layout and when I try to change each theme, now I am selecting it as gallery. When I select it as gallery and go to the home tab and click on the cell style, you can able to see the style got changed according to the theme which you are selecting. So now what I will do is, I will just play with this. I will try to change each theme, and whichever themes I am familiar, I am comfortable with, I am thinking this theme will be suitable for my requirement, I will choose those themes. So now what you can do is you can pause the video and you can play with the different theme. In your Excel sheet, try to apply the themes which is suitable for your requirement. So I will select it as circuit. So this is not that good. So what I will do is, so basis, this is also not that good. So let me click on theme. So there are n number of themes are there. So apart from this also you can browse for themes. So once you browse for themes, if you have any themes which you have downloaded, you can select that theme so that that theme will be applied. So now I'm not going to go and download any new theme. So I will go with the default themes which are available. So I will go with organic. So once I select it as organic, the theme and the style got updated based on that particular theme which you have selected. Now if I go to the home tab and click on the cell style, you can see the color which got updated. So everyone will have some favorite color, favorite font style and size, everything. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can create your own thing as well. Now for example, let me go to the page layout, and the theme which I have selected is organic. In organic theme, if I think that this color is not suitable for me, I want to change the color. That is also possible. Now what I'm doing is I'm customizing the theme. By default, this Excel is providing me some 50 themes, means I will select one particular theme. In this theme also, if I'm thinking that this font color, font style and the effects are not suitable, I can change it. How to do that is, you will have all these options in this theme command group. So in the page layout, themes command group, after selecting the theme, if I feel that the style is not suitable for me, this color is not okay, I can just simply click on colors. Once I click on colors, you can see it have n number of colors. You can able to see that particular theme is also providing me with some multiple options. So here everyone will have certain favorite color, right? Based on that you can select. Now just for our understanding, I will select the style as color as marquee. So now what will happen means the particular theme will be updated with the marquee color. Similarly, font style. Let me click on font. So by default, the style which I have selected is Calibri. If I want to change it to Arial, I can do that. You can see based on that style which I am selecting, automatically everything is getting updated. Similarly, I can update the effect as well. So now I no need any effect, but that is also possible. Once after completing all this, if you feel that this particular theme is most suitable for all of your upcoming requirement, what you can do is you can save this particular theme. You can save this theme also. That means this theme is created by you. You can save this particular theme. So simple. Just click on themes. After updating all your favorite color and favorite font and favorite effect, if you feel that this theme you need to use it in the upcoming requirement, upcoming Excel sheet, you can simply, what you can simply do is click on save current theme. So now what I will do is I will just give the name as custom theme. Custom theme favorite. So I can give any name. I'm giving it as custom theme my favorite. So click on save. So now what you can do is next time when you are coming back with a new Excel sheet, you no need to go and select the previous theme and updating the colors and all. If you now go to themes, you can able to see there is a theme. This theme is created by me, custom theme favorite. So this is also possible. Either you can go with the existing theme which is given by the Excel itself, or else what you can do is you can create your own theme as well. So only thing is after selecting the predefined theme and updating your favorite color, font and effect, you have to save it. So once you save it, once you are opening any new Excel sheet for the next time. For example, I'm just creating a new Excel sheet now. For this new Excel sheet, if I want to update a theme, that same theme, just go to page layout. Under themes, you can able to see there is the custom theme is available. So once you select this custom theme, it will update the style according to your need. So this is how you have to play with the style. So this theme and cell styles are correlated with each other. Based on the theme you are selecting, this cell style will be updated. If you don't like that style also, you can able to update it in that corresponding theme command group. Color, font and effect, everything you can play. Now what you can do is simply, I hope you are familiar with this theme as well. So in the last topic, we discussed something about cell style, and today we discussed something about different themes, how to play with the different themes. So these two topics are correlated to each other. So now you can pause your video and play with a different theme. So it's not that this is the format you have to use. There is no syntax and all. You can simply play with your own creativity. So it's based on your document and based on the example which you've taken and working on it. Apply the style accordingly, right? Yeah. So we come to the end of the video. So what you can do is you can just pause the video and browse all the themes. So go to your Excel and in the page layout you will find a number of themes. So just go with the themes and create your own theme as well. So just sit for some 10 minutes and create your own well designed theme which will be most attractive to your document. So create on it. So let us meet in the next video. Okay. So thanks once again for watching this video. So if you really like this content, please like the video, share your thoughts, share your video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.